Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing today? I am Mr. Fujiono. Today, I would like to introduce you one of the applications that is very important for teachers and students. Uh, okay. In today's digital era, visuals are important part of the learning. To help with this, I introduce you one of the application that is a wonderful tool, for your presentation in your class. Teachers and students should use this application. The name is Canva. Canva. Okay. As we know that Canva is an online tool that help teachers or students and other people create design like posters, social media posts, presentation, and more. Teachers will learn how to use Canva to make lesson more interesting, wonderful, enjoyable, and students will discover how to use the tool to show their creativity in a simple way. So let's discuss how to create Canva assisted digital presentation in this section. Okay. The first, you can download this application in Play Store through mobile phone, or we can write down only Canva in your Google page. We choose this statement, visual application for all. And then, if you don't have any experience, we can choose register. And then we use another account here. Okay. To log in or register in the Flash, continue with akunbelajar.id, or we can continue with Google, or with Facebook, or with email. For example, we can click here. We continue with email. Okay. We can write down our email or input our email in this page, and then click continue. Okay. To complete the login process, after receiving a message in the form of a code in the email, then we enter the code into the Canva account page here. So we can check our email. We can check our email. Okay. Okay, there is code number code here, and we can copy paste this code into Canva page, Canva account page, and then automatically we continue into Canva application Canva application. Okay. To create a digital presentation, we can click the row on the positive sign here to start creating. Here to start creating presentation, or through choosing some templates. If there are many templates here, we can choose one. Wonderful one. I choose this one. Okay. Or you can choose the template that's suitable with your student level. For example, for kindergarten, for elementary school, junior high school, secondary school, and up to university student. We can choose. We can adapt this template for their level. Okay. Okay, I choose this one. Okay. So only one template or only one template. So how to make more templates? We can click design here, and then we implement all template pages. In fact, there are many templates here. There are 10 templates. Okay, we can click this icon. Okay, so there are many templates here that I have, and then after that we continue. After the same template, we can move on to the element section. Here we can add the add animation or image we want to our work. For example, we can click cat. Okay, there are many pictures here. We can choose one of them. We can choose many more, or don't choose a pro picture because you should pay. But to get a free picture, we can choose here nothing pro. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, we can make the picture smaller. Okay. And after that, not only about picture animal, not only about cat, but also not only about the picture, but also video, audio. You can add for this slide in this element section. For example, video about cat. This. Okay, this is okay. Not only about the picture, but we can add video in this slide in through element tool or element section. Okay, we can erase. Okay. Next, move on to text. Here we can add the text to our digital presentation. Then we can edit the text in this section by clicking on the part of the text that we want to edit. For example, we want to edit here, and we can choose the font size here, or we can choose font style here. Okay. Okay. But so because the font size is too large, we can make smaller. We can reduce the font size. Okay, this is okay. Or we can erase this slide, this font. Okay, it's okay. But we can add here title. We can add title. For example, creating, because the font size is too large, we can make smaller. Okay. For example, the title here about Canva as assisted digital presentation. Okay, this is the top, sorry, this is the topic. This is our topic, Canva assisted digital presentation. Okay, how to add the uh, subtitle here. Okay, the subtitle should more smaller than topic. For example, about design, we should discuss about design in Canva, and then element, and then text, and then element, and then text, and then mirror, then uploading, and then tools, and then project. Okay, this is the subtitle that needs explanation for each item, for each subtitle. Okay. And then we can key this statement. We can key this topic. We cannot edit. We cannot write anything because we have keyed, yeah, this topic, this title. So how to edit this topic? We can open the key picture. Okay, so we can edit here, and then this picture, this sign, we can give comment. For example, this slide is very good. Click. So this is our comment. And how to duplicate? Yeah, we can duplicate. Not only duplicate about this topic, this title, yeah, but we can duplicate about this slide. For example, here we can duplicate this page. Okay. There are two pages. There are two same pages here. Okay. This is duplicate. Not only duplicate about the topic, about the title, but we can duplicate. We can duplicate the pages. Okay. Okay. After that, we can move on to mirror. The brain section serves to organize the key design element of the brain, such as logos, colors, fonts, photos, and graphic. This feature is called brain kit, which allow us to ensure that whatever we create with Canva stays true to the brand. However, the brand feature is only accessible with Canva Premium, so we cannot access this section because our Canva is free, not premium Canva. And then move on to continue to upload our pictures here. So the upload section here is a feature in Canva that allows us to upload images or design elements from a computer or other device into the Canva platform. For example, we can choose our picture in our device here. Okay, the process, and then click the picture, and then because the picture is too large, we can make smaller, and then we put the picture. Okay, yeah. For example, okay, we can move this picture. Okay, we can move the picture here to another position. Reduce the font size, or we reduce the picture size, I think. Okay. Okay. This is okay. After that, we continue to this tool. This tool is used to write down or to give sign for our statement in the slide. If you are a teacher and you want to explain to your student, or your student want to explain to their friend in their presentation, yeah. So uh, through this presentation, yeah, we can use this spiral to give sign. For example, use spiral, sorry, choose red color and choose here. Okay, we want to uh, give sign this topic. Okay, this is the useful of this tool. And then next, so how to save automatically in our Canva application. We can choose project here to save automatically our work or our presentation, our slide here, our template. And then we continue to share, to download this slide, to download this presentation. Okay, there are many uh, options here. There are many uh, opportunities to download this slide. We can download this slide through PDF, yeah, or we can download this using PPT. It's okay, up to you. Okay, download using PDF or PPT, PowerPoint, or video MP4, a JPEG, etc. But for teacher and student, you can use that's suitable with your net. For example, PDF or PowerPoint, it's okay. Then we can download it. Okay, please check the result of our assignment. Okay, okay, this is our work. Yeah, I think this presentation is very wonderful, very beautiful, to make student enjoyable and engagement in our teaching and learning process in the classroom. I think that's all my presentation. Uh, Thank you so much for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.